Welcome to Beautyistic, where flawless nails are just a press away. If you're someone who loves a salon-quality pedicure, but dreads the time it takes to book an appointment, stick around. Today, we're checking out the Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Toenails in the Walkaway White shade, a simple yet chic solution that promises to get you pedi-ready in minutes. Let's dive into the details and see if this truly is the time saver it claims to be. The Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Toenails are designed for easy application and a comfortable, long-lasting fit. This kit includes 28 nails in a short Squoval shape, which is perfect for a natural yet polished look. Along with the nails, you get 2 grams of Kiss's pink gel nail glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick. Everything you need for a hassle-free experience. The key selling points are that it offers a DIY, no-mess solution to a salon-style pedi that lasts up to 14 days. The application is easy, and the removal is just as stress-free without causing damage to your toenails. When I tested the Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Toenails, the first thing that stood out was the ease of application. The nails fit perfectly on my toes, and I was able to apply them quickly, no drying time like with traditional nail polish. The glue that comes with the kit has a strong hold, which is perfect for a long-lasting wear. The Squoval shape gave my toes a clean, neat look, and the white French tip design was just the right balance of fresh and polished. The flexible fit made them comfortable to wear, and I didn't feel any discomfort, even after hours of wearing them. What really impressed me was how well they stayed in place. I wore them for the full 14 days to test their durability, and I'm happy to report that they lived up to the claim. No chips, no smudges, and no peeling. These nails really stood up to my busy routine, including walking, running errands, and even a workout session. The waterproof feature is a huge bonus, as it kept them intact even after multiple showers and foot baths. The removal process was surprisingly easy as well. Unlike other press-ons that can leave behind residue or cause damage, these came off without any trouble. I simply used acetone nail polish remover, as recommended, and my natural toenails were untouched. It's a nice touch that Kiss has designed these to be so gentle on your natural nails, making this a reliable option for anyone who wants convenience without sacrificing nail health. Now let's talk pros and cons. Pros: easy and quick to apply, no drying time required. Lasts up to 14 days with no chipping or smudging. Comfortable fit thanks to the flexible design. Water resistant, so they stay intact in various conditions. Removal is simple and doesn't damage your natural nails. Cons: limited to a white French tip design, so if you're looking for a bolder color or more intricate designs, this might not be for you. The short length might not be ideal for those who prefer longer toenails. In terms of value for money, I would say that the Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Toenails are a great deal if you're someone who wants the look of a salon pedicure without the hassle or cost of visiting a nail salon. For the price, you're getting a full set of nails, glue, and tools, which is a good value compared to the cost of getting a pedicure professionally done. The longevity of the nails is also impressive, meaning you won't need to replace them frequently, making them a solid choice for those on the go. Comparing these to other press-on toenails on the market, Kiss nails have a competitive edge due to their easy application, long-lasting wear, and comfort. While other brands may offer similar designs, Kiss provides a more robust set of nails, offering not just the toenails themselves, but also the glue, file, and manicure stick, which adds extra value to the package. As for build quality, the nails feel durable, and the glue holds well without becoming brittle over time. The packaging is straightforward, and the mini file and manicure stick are decent for at-home use. Kiss has definitely delivered on both ease of use and product quality here. Is this a product that fits every budget? While it's not the cheapest option out there, it's definitely worth the investment if you want something quick and easy. If you're looking for a similar effect on a tighter budget, brands like Impress or Sensationnail offer competitive alternatives, though they may not have quite the same level of durability. To wrap it up, I can say that Kiss Salon Acrylic Press-On Toenails are an excellent choice if you're after a DIY pedicure that's fast, easy, and long-lasting. They offer great value for the price, especially for anyone who's on the go or looking for a salon-quality pedicure without the salon visit. Whether you're prepping for an event or just need a quick petty refresh, these nails won't disappoint. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this review too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews. Thanks for tuning into Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.